Hello dear friend, I am Mia Rehan. Welcome to Mia Rehan YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss website maintenance, best practices, strategies to prevent downtime and enhance user experience. So main topic of this video is that how to maintenance your website and boost up the user experience, and also I will give you the very important and very secret tips for your website maintenance. So before starting video, I will request you please subscribe Mia Rehan YouTube channel, do likes and comments on my videos. So let's start the video. In the current era of digital technology, it is crucial to not only have an online presence through a website but also to prioritize providing a smooth and enjoyable user experience. So ensuring regular website maintenance is an essential component of effectively operating a thriving online platform. Failure to address this issue might result in the period of inactivity, sluggish loading speed, and subpar user experience. In this video, I will give you the most effective strategies for website maintenance to minimize downtime and improving user experience. So, first of all, we have the number one step. Regular backups, the foundation of website maintenance. So regular backups are a vital element of website upkeeping. Consider the scenario when you invest a significant amount of time and effort into developing your website only to face a unfortunate situation of losing all the progress as a result of server crash or cyber attack. So regular backup providing insurance that you will be able to revert your website to preview state in the event of any unexpected occurrence. Implementing an automatic backup system of utmost important. So the first step to maintenance the website is that backup regular your data. So number two step, we have monitor website performance. So monitoring a website performance is a key tool for maintenance of your website. So consistently monitoring the performance of your website is crucial in order to proactively discover any potential issues that any impact of user experience. Analyze your website loading speed and overall performance using tools such as Google Page Speed, Insights, GT Metrics, or Pingdom. So these tools provide valuable insights and data help to you optimize your website or better performance. So by utilizing these tools, you can confidently identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustment to enhance the loading speed and overall performance of your website. So number three step you must have to done, that is implement a content delivery network. Implement a content delivery network is a highly efficient network of globally distributed servers as designed to deliver web content and utmost efficiency. A content delivery network optimizes content delivering by catching and serving static assists such as image, CSS, and JavaScript from servers located closer to user. This approach effectively decreases the burden on your hosting servers and accelerate the delivery of content. So number three, we have the step security audits and vulnerability assessments. So regular security audits and vulnerability assessments play a vital role for identifying and mitigating potential threats of your website. Conduct routine security scans to identify malware vulnerability and any other potential security concerns. So it is highly recommended to incorporate a website application firewall as a security measure against prevalent internet risks. So consistently conduct audits of user access privileges, regularly update passwords, and require the usage of two-factor authentication to significant boost security. So a secure website server into important purposes. It ensures uninterrupted services and protect valuable user information. So number 4, we have responsive design testing. So giving the growing privileges of Java mobile devices, it is absolutely essential to have an adaptable designs to guarantee optimal performance by visual appeal is crucial to ensure that your website is designed by development to are responsive across a wide range of screen size and devices. So number 5, we have 404 error and broken links checks. So checks, links, and 404 error have the potential to significantly impair user experience and perhaps damages the SEO of your website. It is essential to consistently monitoring of the any broken links, whether they are internet or external, and swiftly resolve them. So one way of the accomplishing by this utilizing internet tools or plugins that can scan your website and detect any broken links. So by incorporating custom 404 error pages that provide useful information and navigation choices, you can transform as poor user experience into positive one when users come across stats and in your website. So number 6, we have preview and update content. So consistently updating and incorporating new material into your website is crucial, not just for captivating your web audience but also enhancing your SEO. Such engine tend to prioritize websites that continuously offering relevant and content information. So conduct a thorough review of the current information to confirm its accuracy, relevance, and timelines. Review and refresh the information by eliminating any website eliminating absolutely content and providing updating figures, facts, and references. Incorporating fresh content such as blog posts or articles are not only maintenance but also serves as a prompt magnet and for attracting a retentive visitor. Number 7, we have elevating hosting plans. So the hosting architecture of your website has a crucial impact on its performance and ability. Regularly assessing your hosting plan in a crucial, particularly when seeing search in website traffic or when you considering expanding or your online presence. So number 8, user feedback and testing. So number 8, we have to boost up the maintenance and performance of the website is that user feedback and testing. So user feedback is extremely important in the discovering issues that may not be immediately obviously using a conventional monitoring technology. So we are strongly encourage users to share their feedback on their experience with our website. By doing so may get valuable insights and identify any useful that have been entered. Just ensure that you are committed to swiftly addressing any reported issues to ensure a smoothly and shameless user experience. So these are the 8 steps you can follow them and boost up your performance of your website and user experience. So also this video is very helpful for you. Before leaving this video, I will request you please subscribe Mia Rehan YouTube channel, do like and comment on my video. So bye for now, tata.